In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of Spotify not showing up on your Discord status. If you're trying to play music on Spotify and it's not displaying on your Discord activity, follow these steps. First, launch your Discord. Now click on the user settings option. Now head over to the option connections. If your Spotify is already linked, click on the cross icon to unlink it. In case it is not linked, you will need to link it. Click on the Spotify icon, provide your credentials. After you link it, make sure you have enabled for these options, display on profile and display Spotify as your status. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check if you have set your Discord status to online. Click on your profile and choose the online status, green button. If that does not fix it, check any network restrictions by ensuring you are not connected to a VPN. For that, launch settings, go to network and internet, VPN on PC. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it. Lastly, if none of this works, you can use the Discord app instead of the web version, or if you're having the issue in the app, you can use the web version. So that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify not showing up on your Discord status. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.